Have you ever woken up feeling more exhausted than when you went to bed? You're not alone. In a world where we constantly push our limits, sleep is often one of the first things we sacrifice. But what if I told you that a simple change in your sleep schedule could transform your life in ways you never imagined? Today, we're diving deep into how a better sleep schedule doesn't just improve your rest. It changes the way you show up for yourself, your work, your relationships, and your entire day-to-day experience. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have time for better sleep. I have too much to do. But hear me out. The truth is, what you think is productivity could be slowing you down, affecting your health, and ultimately keeping you stuck in a cycle of exhaustion. Imagine being able to wake up feeling energized, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. It can be your new reality. To understand how a better sleep schedule can be a game changer, we first need to explore what happens when we don't prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep can impair your cognitive function, affect your mood, and even weaken your immune system. It can make simple tasks feel like monumental challenges. But the good news is, sleep isn't just something we need to survive. It's essential for us to thrive. You see, sleep is the time when your body repairs itself, consolidates memories, and processes emotions. It's during these hours that your brain is cleaning house, getting rid of toxins, and resetting for the day ahead. Without enough sleep, this process doesn't happen fully, and over time, this takes a toll on your physical and mental health. But here's the kicker. Sleep is free. It's the easiest form of self-care that we overlook. We tend to prioritize work, social obligations, and entertainment, pushing sleep to the bottom of our to-do lists. But when you choose to prioritize your sleep, you're making an investment in every other aspect of your life. Think about it. When you're well-rested, you're more productive, you make better decisions, you're more creative, and perhaps most importantly, you're more patient and kind with the people around you. It's almost like you're showing up as the best version of yourself. But how do you actually shift to a better sleep schedule? It's not as complicated as you might think. The key is consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock. This routine sends signals to your brain that it's time to wind down, making it easier for you to fall asleep and wake up naturally. And let's talk about the power of the pre-sleep ritual. What you do before bed is just as important as when you go to bed. Avoiding screens, caffeine, and heavy meals in the hours leading up to sleep can make a huge difference in the quality of your rest. Instead, try winding down with a calming activity like reading, meditation, or stretching. These activities can signal to your brain that it's time to transition into sleep mode. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I've tried this before and it didn't work. It's frustrating when you feel like you're putting in the effort, but the results don't come immediately. But here's the thing. Change doesn't happen overnight. Your body needs time to adjust to a new rhythm. So don't get discouraged. Stick with it and give yourself the grace to adjust. But what if it's not just about the sleep itself? What if your entire lifestyle is affecting your sleep quality? Think about how stress, anxiety, and poor diet can all play a role. It's not just about hitting the pillow at the right time. It's about creating a holistic environment that supports restfulness. This is where sleep hygiene comes in. It's the collection of habits and routines that promote a good night's sleep. From the temperature of your room to the way you manage your stress levels during the day, every little detail counts. And here's the best part. When you make these changes, they don't just improve your sleep. They improve your entire life. You begin to feel more energized, more focused, and more confident in every area of your life. But there's something bigger at play here. Sleep isn't just about the individual. It's about society as a whole. When people get better sleep, they're happier, healthier, and more productive. They make better decisions in their personal and professional lives. So, improving your sleep schedule isn't just a personal decision. It's something that benefits the collective. Now, as you start to think about the importance of a sleep schedule, ask yourself this. What would it look like if you truly embraced the power of sleep in your life? What could you accomplish if you woke up every day feeling like you were at your best? The answer is simple. Everything would change. You'd feel more in control, more present, and more alive. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity, and when you make sleep a priority, you make yourself a priority. So, let me leave you with this. Imagine waking up each morning excited to face the day, not because you have to, but because you want to. That's the power of a well-rested mind and body. That's the power of a better sleep schedule. It's time to stop merely surviving and start thriving. Now, I want to hear from you. What changes are you going to make to your sleep schedule starting tonight? Let me know in the comments below.